Welcome to my Tuxedo and Chanel inspired Christmas, where the black and white, pearls and bows, and soft winter textures come together to create a cozy but elevated holiday decor. Christmas doesn't always have to be green and red. This year, I wanted to bring the magic of the holidays in a different way. Something timeless, elegant, and unapologetically chic. Through the years, I found that using a flocked Christmas tree brings a beautiful contrast with dark colors. And this tree comes pre-lit, but after I found these twinkle lights, I have to add them into this tree as well. They are from Amazon and Walmart, and I'm gonna go ahead and link it for you guys. They just look stunning. I layered in black ornaments to create contrast against the flocking. Black may feel unexpected for Christmas, but that's exactly why I love it. It's bold, elegant, and timeless, and this is my second year using black. I added these gorgeous pearl stems that I've picked up at Michael's. Pearls soften the black, catch the light beautifully, and add a luxurious couture-inspired finish. I always start with the foundation, my ribbons and bows. I love using bows because they're instantly add drama and movement, and they make the tree feel styled instantly instead of just decorated. Then I go ahead and keep layering ornaments. I'm using some beaded ones, some shiny ones. I incorporate silver to kind of like pop. Then some fillers. These stems are perfect for just filling up the entire tree. And this year, I'm trying something different that I've seen online, and it is that the tree starts from the bottom, creating an illusion of a taller tree, making just the tree the star of the show. I achieved that by adding 2 garlands. They can be very similar to your tree, but they don't have to be the same. And of course, for the tree topper, we are going with this beautiful bow. This one, I grabbed it at Michael's. And as you see, I added some jewels in the middle just to add the extra layer. Of course, we are going to move this whole living room to the other side. For the fireplace, I mixed 2 different garlands. One, the real touch pine, and the other one is a flock to create depth and fullness. I always believe the secret to luxury decor is layering. Mixing textures makes everything feels more organic and elevated. I haven't seen anybody do this, and for me, once I put them together, I just saw the vision and it looked so beautiful. We're going to add more lights because the flocked one comes with lights, but the other one doesn't. I also wanted to match the Christmas tree and have the option to have different colors depending on the mood. That's the beauty of these lights. You can set them up to be steady or to be in 5 different modes, and I love the flexibility. We're gonna go ahead and add pearls. These ones come in a roll. You can get them at your favorite store. They also have them on Amazon and Walmart. We will just add the pearls to take the exact shape of the garland. I wanted to keep the clean lines, and so I'm just going to be adding some roses for the corner. I created this bunch as you can see here, and then I added a little bit of sparkle with that stem. When it came to the decor, I wanted to add a classy element, and these candelabras did just that, along with the black candles. And a trick that I'm gonna give you so they don't move the candles, the actual taper candles, it is you just use hot glue around it and you won't have the problem that it tilts. Also, adding the sparkly neutrals reindeers are just the perfect and final touch that this space needs. Finally, I added a bow in the middle of the candelabra so it can tie it up together with the tree. Then at the end, I went ahead and added some crystals to the end of the fireplace garland to give it a little bit more holiday sparkle. Now, let's move on into the entryway because first impressions matter. I styled my mirror console table with this oversized reindeer from Siga. It's dramatic, sculptural, and instantly sets the tone for the rest of the home. Then I grounded the look with a natural pine, layering the pearls and berries for texture and a soft pop of color. Followed up with some candles and 2 black ornaments in different sizes to add a little bit of shine and also to remind us of the holiday season. Finally, I wrap off this look with these beautiful red stockings. They bring warmth, richness, and just the right amount of holiday romance to balance the black and white theme, along with the twinkle lights for extra magic. stays very modern, so I wanted the Christmas decor to complement that instead of overpowering it this year. The white couch, a sleek table, and black and white pillows create a clean vase. All that while the feather textures and pearl-inspired accents add softness. Overall, I am truly blessed and excited to share this Christmas decor with you. May Jesus live with all of you. Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. Stay tuned because I will be having a giveaway on my next video. And make sure you follow me across all social media at Mimi Buongiorno. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and let me know what was the favorite part of this video and what you enjoyed the most. I love you all. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, and I'll see you next time.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he